Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe in black, 1LT with adrenaline red leather interior. So I'll just start over the back of the vehicle, let you have a look. So this one has the removable targa top, as you can see. Fits nicely here in the trunk. So we'll go ahead, we'll pull this up and I'll let you have a look underneath. So nice size trunk down here, and then in the corner we've got wheel lock key, we've got the Corvette branded charger, and the fuel filler tube is down there as well, so that's great. So we'll go ahead, we'll lock this back into place and I'll close the trunk. It does have soft close, so I'll just simply press and it pulls itself closed. Step back here. So it's got the nice LED tail lights with carbon flash metallic surrounds. We've got the quad tip exhaust there on the back. And we'll just shift around here to the back corner, let you have a look. So we've got the Z51 style black gloss wheels, red calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. I'll move over to the passenger door. It's got nice baseball stitching that runs along. We've got a Bose stereo, power locks, power windows, and electronic door release. And I'll show you the kick plate here on the passenger side. It's in fair shape, a couple little minor marks I see here, so we will polish it. We'll make it look the best we can for you. And for the passenger seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, and power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see, and it's got red seat belts to match. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. I'll have a look here. So in the glove box, we do have the books, and we've got the wheel lock key here, so that's great. We've got dual zone climate control, so this is the passenger climate control and display. And we've got nice baseball stitching on the lower as well as on the upper. Looks good. And I'll just get out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just move along and scan along the car here so you can see the condition. Looks good. So over here at the front, there's your front wheel. So again, nice Z51 high gloss wheels, red painted calipers, Michelin tires. We've got the chrome badge package with the chrome Stingray there. And then under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy under here, looks good. And then we've got the wire here for our MagRide. So this one does have the adjustable suspension. There's your embossed Corvette hood liner, looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close that, and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. Looks sharp with those red seats, chrome badge, and the carbon flash metallic vent. And then we've got our projector HID headlights with the black housings, LED daytime running lights, and the chrome piece along the front. Just scan along so you can see the condition of the bumper. Looks good. In terms of issues, I'll just take a close look here, see if there's anything to point out. There's one little tiny mark there, but I don't even think it's actually a mark. I think it will just polish out when we polish it, so no worries. And we'll just shift around. I'll let you have a look. So it does have 3M here. Looks like it's just on the front quarters or fenders there. And here's your front wheels. So again, Z51 wheels, red painted calipers, nice Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome, so we'll move on to the driver's door. So again, Bose stereo, power locks, power windows, electronic door release, nice baseball stitching. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape. Looks great, no marks to speak of, so that's nice. And then we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up and down, power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, let's see, we've got 3,695. So nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over on this side, we've got our cruise control buttons. Down below, we've got track change. On this side, we've got our volume controls, and then we've got our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash, so that gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. And then above that, we've got telephone controls, hang up and answer, as well as voice command. And then we've got paddle shifters, plus and minus on this side. Over here, you've got your power mirrors, you got your dimmer switch, trunk release, and then our power tilt and telescopic steering column on this side. Over here, you've got your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with a USB power port. There's your full factory navigation. Here's your home screen. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, auxiliary in. You got telephone controls. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Nav is what we just saw there, your nav. PDR, so you got performance data recorder, so you can record track times and things like that. If I put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera. We'll move that out of the way, go back home. Here's your climate control, so that it displays the temperature up there. Again, there's the passenger temperature on that side. And then we've got our Corvette Stingray nameplate down below. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter, 12-volt socket. You've got your cup holders, electronic parking brake, and our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, this will change the suspension feel and different things like that. So you've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. So that's great. So just below that, we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, 12-volt socket. And there's your rear view mirror with OnStar. And we'll just hop out with running, have a look and a listen. Good sound to it. And I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. There it is. Looks great. And we'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. What a sharp looking car. Here it is from the back. Looks good. Nice chug from the exhaust. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 1LT, black on adrenaline red with red seat belts and MagRide, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.